Class. My name is Aditi Day. I am your new English teacher of class 4th. Okay, beta. So, as you all know that yesterday I have explained about articles. Today I am going to explain the topic, that is the sentence, beta. You all know about the words in English language, how you can use it. Today I am going to explain the sentence, beta. Sentence. Now the question arises that what do you mean by sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives the complete sense. It is known as sentence, beta. So in this, two rules are there. Sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, interrogative mark or exclamation mark. Okay. At the end, full stop is also be there. It is also necessary. But how can you know that it is a sentence? Because when we read the group of word, it gives a complete sense. So it is known as sentence. Okay, beta. So let's start with the video sentence. Okay, beta. Morning class. Beta, all of you, as you all know that yesterday we have completed the revision of articles, beta. So today we are going to revise the sentence. You all know about the words. Today I am going to explain the sentence. So mention today's date, that is 23/21. Okay. First of all, the question arises that what do you mean by sentence? So sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Means group of words which gives the complete sense also. That is known as the sentence, beta. Okay. For example, I am going to take some examples to make it more clear to you that what do you mean by sentence, beta. I St. Joseph's School in study. This is also a group of words. I St. Joseph's School in study. But when we are reading this sentence, it is not giving a complete sense. But in the second one, I study in St. Joseph's School, means the second sentence is giving the complete sense that I study in St. Joseph's School. Like this, that you are studying in Vishnu Bhagwan Public School, beta. So you can write like this, I study in Vishnu Bhagwan Public School, which gives a complete sense. That's why it is sentence, beta. Okay. So it is more clear to you that first one is incorrect and second one is correct sentence. Okay, beta. Like this, I am giving the next example. My family love I. When you are reading this sentence, it is also a group of word. This is not a sentence. This is a group of word, but it is not giving a complete sense. Okay. My family love I. It is not giving a proper sense because it is not kept in a proper order, beta. That's why it is not a sentence. But in the second, I love my family, means it is giving a complete sense that I love my family. That's why it is second one is correct, but the first one is wrong, beta. Okay. So now it is more clear to you that a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense also. It is not only a group of words but also gives a complete sense after reading it, beta. Okay. So there are some rules when you see a sentence. First one is a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Remind it, when you write any sentence, it always begins with a capital letter, beta. Okay. Means the first word is written in capital. Okay. So first rule for sentence is a sentence always begins with a capital letter. And the second rule is a sentence ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. As you all have read about the sentence, like question mark sentences are interrogative and exclamation mark sentences are exclamatory sentence in the previous classes also. Okay, so always reminded that a sentence ends with a full stop. When we complete the sentence, we have to put a full stop at the last of the sentence, beta. Okay, so this is the correct formation of a sentence. So I am going to explain you some more examples to make it more clear that how you identify that it is a sentence or not. Some sentences are given below. First one is, you are wasting your time here. So this is also a group of word, but it is in a proper order. That's why it is giving a complete sense also. That's why it is a correct sentence, and full stop is also there. So it is a correct sentence, beta. You are wasting your time here. This one is correct. That's why I am putting the tick here. Next is sentences ran quickly. You are seeing no full stop is there. Okay. And ran quickly. No sense is coming out after reading this. It is also a group of word, but it is not giving a complete sense. That's why it is not a sentence, beta. So we put cross against it. Okay. Come to the next page for more explanations. So the next sentence is, my neighbor has a new car. Okay. At the last full stop is there. My neighbor has a new car. At the last full stop is there, and the sentence is beginning with a capital letter, and it is also giving a complete sense that my neighbor has a new car. So it is a sentence. So we put the tick mark. Okay. Come to the next. Shivani stood first in the class. You are seeing that the sentence starting with the capital S. Okay. So capital letter is also there, and at the last full stop is also there. That's why it is also a sentence, and it is giving a complete sense. That's why we put the tick mark. Okay. So this is correct sentence. Shivani stood first in the class. It is giving a complete sense, and it is start with a capital S, and at the end full stop is there. That's why it is a correct sentence. We put the tick mark here. Next is around the corner. Around the corner, when we read this group of word, it is not giving a sense. Okay. And it is not starting with a capital letter, and no full stop is also there. That's why we put the cross here, beta. Okay. For a while. For a while is also a group of word, but it is not giving a complete sense. That's why we put a cross here. It is not a sentence, beta. Okay. Come to the last one. Dog barks at night. Dogs bark at night. So you all know that dogs bark at night, and it is starting with a capital D and end with a full stop. That's why it is a sentence. We put a tick mark, and also complete. When we read the sentence, it is giving a complete sense. That's why it is a sentence, beta. I hope you all now all have make sure that what do you mean by sentence. It is clear to you all, beta, na? So at the last, I am giving again you the summary of this. A set of word that is complete in meaning and sense is called a sentence, beta. Okay. So always reminded that a group of word that is complete in meaning and sense is called a sentence, and it always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, beta. So I hope it is more clear to you, and today's your homework is to go through this sentence topic and learn it also. Okay, beta. Thank you.